Hi there everybody, welcome out to the garden in this really lovely weather, and a lot of you have been asking for an update on the garden railway, so I'm going to show you around and show you what's been going on over the winter. Well, it's a beautiful day, and this is what's to be seen of the garden railway. The plant life's coming along really well, but the birds have really made a mess of all of the chipped bark. You can see it pretty much buried the track over there. So first things first out here is going to be cleaning off the track, getting all that chipped bark where it's supposed to go. The track is actually still under there. And there's also a buffer stop to go on the end of there. I need to build it and put it on there. And then I think on the last progress video I talked about doing the power to the rails, and things moved on. I started work on the loft layout. It's quite clear that the shed layout was just going to get dismantled, so there is now nothing to tap into for the power, so that cable is going to get stripped back out. I'm going to do that today, and yeah, well, let's get on to it. I think it's a lovely day, and see how the track has fared to winter ravages. Right, well, I've cleaned up all the track. As you can see here now, it's re-emerged from all the chip bark and really none the worse for wear after having a winter covered up. Battled through all the cat poo round there. There's some neighbours' cats decided that's its toilet from time to time, so I'll have to I might buy some lion poo from the garden centre. There you are. Make it think there's an even bigger cat in the area that it needs to steer clear of. Trees are doing really well. That's it's a Bramley apple tree, cooking apples, get some good pies and crumbles from the crop from that. But the eating apple tree seems to be doing very well as well. That's that one there. And then the pear tree, no partridge, is also, it seems, doing really well. That's come out in the last few days with the weather we've been having. Juniper bush is doing really well. The idea is that hopefully all of this, I want low evergreen ground cover that will kind of persist, and then I won't need this mulch to keep the weeds down. I also need to get a controller for out here. It's DCC, that seems to work best because of the gradients. So what I'm going to do is perhaps get a small cheap DCC controller. It only really needs to run maybe a couple of locos at the same time, and that will allow me not to have to raid up in the loft. But I hope this has been informative to you, just showing you where things are up to out here. I haven't forgot about this layout, but you can see when we get weather like this, it really is something that will come to its fore. Now we're going to be having a barbecue tomorrow, so I might just bring the DCC controller down from the loft for that. But what I want to do is have a dedicated controller for all of this, and it'll be really nice. Looking forward to this summer, having a train snake around this figure of 8. I've got a new locomotive that I got from Ali Pally, so I do need to get that opened up, get it chipped. But that's where we're up to. Hope this short video has been informative to you. It may or may not replace the live stream on Monday for Bank Holiday Monday, and the reason for that is we've got guests coming over for a big barbecue, so there may not be time, so this may be the substitute video. But no matter, you take really good care of yourself, you have yourself a really great Easter as well, and hope to catch you later. Bye for now. Today's video has been brought to you in part thanks to the generous donation of my fans on Patreon, and a huge thanks goes out to Anthony Kidson, Mark Anthony, Michael Churchwood, Bob Threeton, Alec Ralph, Anthony Hunt, William Wade, Wayne Johns, and Offshore Alan. If you'd like to help support the show, head on over to patreon.com/Jennifer Kirk. Thank you. Today's video has been brought to you by my books, Bringing Home the Stars, Twinkle Little Star, and also you can get the complete comic collections of All Over the House, Books 1, Books 2, and also the wacky zany Life of Knob T. Mouse. Thanks, and catch you later.